Confirmation of Payee is a service that can help you protect yourself against scams and errors when making payments. It checks if the account owner name matches the account number of the person or business you're paying before you make a payment. The service only applies to certain types of payments between New Zealand banks when you're using our mobile app or internet banking to make a one-off payment, save a new payee, or edit an existing payee. Some types of payments aren't checked. So how does it work? Let's step through adding a new payee using the Kiwibank mobile app. Go into the Make a Payment screen. Select the account you want to make a payment from and click on Select a Business or Payee. Click Add in the top right-hand corner. Confirmation of Payee requires you to enter the exact first and last name or business name registered to the account to get a match. It's important to ask the person or business you're paying to share the exact name on their account, not just their account number. Click on Check Payee Details to see if the account owner name and number you've entered match. It only takes a second or two. In this case, the account owner name matches the number. It's important to always check who you're paying and why, even if the response is a match. Click Done and continue with the payment as you normally would. If you get a partial match, it means the account owner name you've entered isn't an exact match for the account number, but it's close. Check for typos in the name and only continue if you know and trust the person or business you're paying. If you get not a match, the account owner name you entered doesn't match the account number. Do you know and trust the payee? You may want to verify the account owner's identity. If you continue, you could send money to the wrong place and it might not be recoverable. The most common responses you'll receive are match, partial match, or not a match. The matching response will help you decide if you want to proceed with the payment or save the payee. But it won't stop you from doing so. While Confirmation of Payee won't eliminate scams or mistakes, it's a tool to help you protect yourself against them. Remember to always check who you're paying and why. And be particularly wary if you're told by the person you're paying to ignore a not a match or partial match response. To find out more, visit our website. For more information on the latest scams and how to report a scam, go to kiwibank.co.nz/types of scams.